everyone, my name is Sarah Gobb and I'm a Diamond Beachbody coach. Brandy asked me to just pop in here real quick and give you guys some tips from my call with her back in February. I went Diamond in I think 20 days, which was pretty fast, and here are the 5 things that I really think helped me hit that goal quickly. Number 1 is go all in. I wrote down my goal to be Diamond on February 19th, and nothing was getting in my way. From the day I signed up, I had my eyes set on that goal, and I just pushed for it every single day. Number 2 is Power Hour. This is so important, and from the day I found out what a Power Hour was until right now, I do this every single day. No matter what, I don't sleep until it's done. Even if I only have 15 minutes to devote to my Power Hour, I do it. I sometimes set a timer, which helps me stay efficient and helps me not get distracted. So then I know when the timer goes off, I should be done with my Power Hour, or the most that I can get out of my Power Hour that day. My Power Hour consists of a few important things. Number 1 is adding 3 to 5 people to my network each day. And this is so important. And one way that I tracked this, and I still do, is I write down how many Facebook friends I have each day in my Beachbody planner. And then I can look at that at the end of the week and make sure that I'm growing my business at an appropriate rate. The second one is personal development. This is key. No matter what, every day, even if it's only a couple sentences from an amazing book, just do it. It's really important. Then I return all messages, and then I post to my personal page at least 3 times a day. It helps me to plan these posts. I know that sounds a little crazy, but I write in my planner what posts I'm going to have morning, midday, and night. And then I try to organize them so I have at least 2 personal posts and then 1 business or fitness related, so I'm not overwhelming people with fitness posts and things like that. In the beginning, I also tracked how many likes and comments I got on all my posts, and that sounds crazy too, but it helped me really see when my high times were, and then when I know to post my really big important posts about an upcoming challenge or things like that. Number 3 is build relationships, and I do this with about 5 to 10 people a week. And how I do that is by liking or commenting their posts throughout the week, or even just sending them a personal message and just asking about life. It doesn't have to be fitness related, and I try to choose these people based on who I think would either benefit from the coaching opportunity or benefit from a fitness program in the future. Number 4 is follow up. This is super important. However you choose to track your interest, do it, but do it some way, whether it's on a computer or paper. But then I know exactly who in the past was interested in my free eating challenges, who was interested in my free burpee or plank challenges, and then who was interested in my challenge pack or fitness challenges. And then I can follow up with them for future challenges if they didn't do one at that time. How I follow up is different kind of for each challenge, but sometimes I'll just follow up in a week and say, hey, did you get a chance to look at what I sent you? Just wondering what your thoughts are. Hope you have a great day, sort of thing. And then if I don't hear back again, I usually just send them a quick message in the next upcoming challenge that's similar to what they were interested in before, and just say, hey, I know you were interested in this last month or back in February, and I'm doing another thing similar this coming month. I just wanted to give you a heads up. Let me know if you want more info. So it doesn't have to be crazy intense, just super sweet and simple. And then number 5, keep pushing and stay consistent. And this goes off that amazing call that we had last night. Just please don't compare yourself to others. There was so many times where I could have let myself get defeated and just totally overwhelmed and like, I can't do this. I was comparing my start to everybody else's middle, and when I start to do that to myself, even today, I have to step back and plug into personal development, because if I don't believe in myself, no one else is going to either. And we really, really, really have to just be confident and stay consistent, because this is not a sprint, it's a marathon. You will have hard times, but if you stay consistent, I promise you those little things that you do each day will compound into a huge reward. I wanted to just end with one quote to remind ourselves why we should be doing this is to help others, and it is the only real happy people in life are those that have learned to serve others. And I'm just so thankful for this opportunity because it's just another way to help and serve others. And if we really focus and drive our business through that, I think we will all reap great rewards. I hope this was helpful. Thanks, guys.